get mad enough. The shit will start.
Yo, back with another vlog. It's y'all know it's y'all boy. Look Keezy. Look at Nana. She just sleep. Come on. Huh? Finna get Nana. Why? You going? Is you still going? Daryl? You still going?
If you going, I ain't going.
Oh, I can leave. I'm not here. I can leave. I'm not here.
Like you crazy mama.
Huh?
What you doing? What seat she?
She in the front seat. Daryl's not going. Oh, I dropped my shoe. I dropped. Huh? Oh, they.
The pink charger.
The pink charger. I don't know.
Yeah, the
What's
thing
that?
is up there. Is it hooked up back in?
No.
You said Darren ain't gone.
He said the power's done. He ain't going. So, I just.
So you just told a damn lie.
What?
My charger is hooked up back there.
Why you say your pink charger?
The pink block.
That's not a charger.
Darren said he not gone. You sure?
Who, me? What I'm lying for? What I gotta lie about? You gonna call him?
Call him.
Oh, I'll call him. Okay, I'm gonna call him. Ready, man, just lied. He said he wasn't going. Don't make no sense. Hey, what you gotta lie for? Yeah, do y'all be lying? So you turned up at the prom. You know that how we get. We getting money. Ain't worry about no. We got sticks. We trying to cup some.
You call?
Me have to wax some. Boy, it's raining cats and dogs out here. I hope we make it.
We gonna make it. Make a long time on our side. I thought the wrong kind of cigarette.
Ciao.
I gotta add this money to the light bill, this phone bill.
Oh, you spend a lot of money, huh? Well, I can't tell. And we gotta pay Zay bill. I could've gave her that.
You ain't got cash?
Yeah, I do.
You just said you ain't got no money on cash.
I don't. But I got money in my wallet.
What money you got?
I got $10. Wait, let me count it. Cause every day we lit, yeah. Every day we rich. Remember I was broke. Now I'm getting rich, yeah. Every day we rich, yeah. Every day we rich. It's like $12. All 100 bills. You feel me? So $12,000 in total. What is that? $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $9, $10, $11. $11. I have $11. Oh. What? High five. Stop flipping me off. Ain't nothing funny. The head. She lucky. Next time I'm gonna take it. Police! This is not a good song.
If I did my
Ain't this Uncle Adrian?
the shit will start happening.
I ain't going there.
I went blank for like a week.
You did this?
No, you got to go in and
Ooh. That white lady accused me of stealing last time.
You know so.
I know this, but I
I forgot her name.
Still what?
I had bought a chocolate bar and I walked out, and then I had walked back in and she thought I stole it.
And what you do?
I told her I paid for it. And the other lady had told her too. But I ain't going in. I already got cops around check too. Can't do it. I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, y'all. So I made it back home. 3 o'clock in the morning.